Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the displays between the Redmi Note 9 Pro, Note 8 Pro and the POCO X2 device. So subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru if you're first time watching this channel, and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of display comparison playlist. So where I did plenty of display comparison friends, maybe more than 50 to 60 videos which I did only on the display comparison. So that's why I decided to add all the display comparison in one playlist, so it's easy for you to go through all the different phones whatever I'm having. As you can see friends, plenty of display comparison videos I did because it is the most requested query in my channel that do the comparison reviews of the displays. So because I'll be doing in-depth display comparison, so that's why I would like to do more and more videos, and these are my latest uploaded videos friends. So if you are interested in any of these videos, so do check the links in the description, or check out my channel friends. All the videos will be available, so you can watch and like the video friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of long and lengthy videos. And if you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me to the number given friends. And as you can see right now, I'm using the Redmi Note 9 Pro, Note 8 Pro and the POCO X2 device friends here. POCO X2 device. And if you want to know what wallpapers also, you can check the wallpaper playlist, so you can find very good and interesting wallpapers which is actually suitable for the notch phones, punch hole displays and dual punch hole displays in the POCO X2. Let me try to play the same video in all the phones friends, and before playing the video, let me try to tell you the technical specifications of the displays. So all these three phones from the Redmi, and two phones from the Redmi and one from POCO comes with the IPS LCD panel. So there is no change in terms of the panel what they are choosing in this all the three mobile friends. So that is one thing which you need to keep clear. So in this test, all these three phones are having the same IPS LCD panel. Let me open the display settings and let me show you what exact settings I'm gonna use in this test, so you can understand I'm not using any different colors. So let me open the color scheme in all the phones and let me try to choose the exactly same color. So let me try to zoom in friends. So as you can see clearly, saturated and saturated. So all the phones are at saturated selected points. So let me try to open the same video in all the three phones. So as you can see friends, at the moment I am playing all the three phones with the same video at same time and with full brightness. So as you can see friends, with full brightness I am trying to play the same video in all the phones. So do comment below friends which display you like the most. So let me try to take out a little bit of lighting so you can understand the display colors. So overall friends, in terms of the size, the POCO X2 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro are a little bit huge. So as you can clearly see the difference as well in terms of both the phones, so which is quite huge. And now let me try to decrease the brightness friends, all the three phones to the 10, and let's check which phone will be brighter. So all the three phones are performing pretty good friends at the moment. And the POCO X2 has the option to increase the colors, but I did not choose at the moment friends to increase the colors. So it was same as normal colors. So let me try to start again the video at same time. So that is another advantage in the POCO X2 device friends in terms of choosing the colors. So let me try to decrease to 10. So all the phones are looking same exactly, there is not much change. So let me try to decrease to 5. So do subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru. So if you're choosing 5, almost all the phones are looking at same brightness levels friends. So even there is no change in terms of colors. So now let me do it to the 0 and let's check which phone will be very dim. So if you notice friends, the Note 9 Pro, you cannot see the mountains, so you cannot see any lights, but in the Note 8 Pro you can see here friends. Even in the POCO X2 you can see clearly. So overall what is the conclusion is that the Note 9 Pro can go very dim friends in terms of brightness levels. So it's very suitable for you when you're traveling and you cannot you won't be able to disturb the side passengers, anyone. Even at the night time when you're watching the videos, it won't be much disturbance in the Note 9 Pro device, friends. So this one thing which I noticed. But overall, in terms of advantage, I will give the points to the POCO X2, friends. So because in the POCO X2 you can increase the colors of the display, so which I did a separate video on that, friends. So do check the links in description for that. So it is a video, friends, which will show you in the POCO X2 how to increase the colors to high saturated colors like AMOLED panels. So do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist, so you can understand clearly how you can do that in the POCO X2 device, friends. And this is the overall display comparison between all the Redmi phones and POCO phones. So overall the winner is that POCO X2 is the clear winner, friends, in terms of the option of having the increasing colors. So that is the best advantage in the POCO X2. And in low light performance, the Redmi Note 9 Pro did very good. And next goes to the Redmi Note 8 Pro of having the very small minimalistic design. So like very small overall phone, friends. So you can easily use in the single hand. I know it's not possible to use, but still when you compare with 6.67 inches versus 6.5 inches, so it's a little bit less. That is another advantage. So that's it, friends. This is the overall display comparison, and for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.